Are you a local builder or maintenance company that builds or maintains a number of properties in the local area? Now I'm sure that you struggle organising all of the trades and all of the sub-trades to complete works on your behalf. In this video, I'm going to explain why a number of local builders and maintenance companies entrust Economy Glass with all their glass and glazing related repairs. Firstly, we believe one of the most important parts is creating a great relationship with your sub-trades. We'd recommend that you come and see us or reach out, introduce yourself and explain to us what your specific needs are associated with the glass replacement services that we could undertake for you. We believe the most important part is forming the relationship with your sub-trades. If you require glass replacement services, feel free to reach out, come and have a discussion with us, explain exactly what you require and what you expect. This way we can create a personalised service exactly how you want it and everybody knows exactly where they stand. We can then provide you with a detailed information sheet of exactly what we require when you're organising or ordering a glass replacement service. There's things like approximate dimensions, photos, a really clear description of the works and what room it's being undertaken in your house can save you loads of time and ensure that you get a quick quote accurately and efficiently, more often than not the same day. In turn, this makes it really easy for us and our staff. When the boys arrive on site, they know exactly what window they are there to complete. They know the approximate sizes so they can ensure that they've got enough glass on board to complete that job quickly and efficiently without return trips. Now we undertake a number of different products for local builders and maintenance companies, things like shower screens, splashbacks, mirrors or just general glass replacement services on a daily basis anywhere in the western suburbs. A large number of our builders, the most important thing to them is the lead time. They need these jobs completed quickly and efficiently. In saying that though, we have lead times from our suppliers that we need to adhere to. For any toughened glass or double glazed units, the normal lead time is 7 to 10 days. If it's just an annealed float glass or a standard window, more often than not we can complete these jobs on the first visit, especially if we've got the glass in stock. Our business model has actually been set up with you guys in mind. We run a number of automated software systems and scheduling software that enables us to provide you with automatic updates when on the job, invoice and quote from site, as well as providing you with detailed photos and reports explaining what work has been completed and what condition we found the site in when we arrived. For any builders or maintenance companies, we service all of the western suburbs. You can find our locations on the Contact Us page on our website. We really look forward to working with you. We love being a local business on Old Geelong Road. You can get anything you need for your next renovation on this one very strip, Old Geelong Road. You can't miss us.